Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue Northwest, Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. This is a 2014 GS 350 all-wheel drive in the meter blue metallic finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. Some of the features on this vehicle include HID headlamps, LED daytime running lights, fog lamps, front and rear park assist sensors, headlamp washers, aluminum alloy wheels, turn signal integrated side mirrors, blind spot monitor, keyless entry with push start ignition, driver and passenger seat memory seating, power folding side mirrors, power adjustable front seats, headlamp washer switch, blind spot monitor switch, traction control, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, hands-free controls, hands-free calling, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation, Bluetooth, audio, and backup camera, Lexus premium audio system, dual zone climate control, heated and ventilated front seats, park assist switch, power rear window shade, drive mode select with Sport Plus, power sunroof, black interior, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more about this vehicle, please visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or call us to schedule a test drive at 403-296-9600.